Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Courtney. I'm in Zone 9B to Louisiana. Let's take a tour around my garden and see how everything's growing. What needs to be harvested. Let's go. There it goes. Forest. My beans are still hanging in there. Are they dying out because of the heat? My okra, they liking the heat though. This is where I planted my pumpkins. I showed you earlier. Zinnias, they're dying out as well. My cucumbers. After they're done, I'm planting mini pumpkins. Green beans. And here's what I'm most excited about, my bell peppers. These are over a year old and I overwintered them and they're growing back nice. I already harvested some peppers. Hey lizard. More green beans and a pepper plant. My tomatoes. Harvested some tomatoes already. More cucumbers. I pulled out these green beans. Watermelons. Pull out these green beans too. These cucumbers are still hanging in there. My cantaloupes, looking good. Berries. My mini pollinator garden. My watermelons, close to being harvested. Give this one about one more week. This one I'll harvest Sunday. Some bee balm flowers. More green beans. My bell peppers. My watermelons. Getting bigger. More watermelons. And some more green beans since the other ones dried out. Update on the pollinator garden. Marigolds. Strawberries. If you love this content and want more gardening videos, please subscribe and stay tuned for future videos.